Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating problem in OnePlus phones. So guys, if you are using OnePlus phone or the device and you are facing overheating problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, whenever your device overheats, then you have to simply close all the background running apps. So guys, if your device heats up, then you have to simply close all the apps which are running in the background, and then you have to simply use at least one app at a time. So guys, do this, and after this, drag down your control center, and then you have to simply lower the brightness of your device as well. So guys, simply lower the brightness, and after this, make the dark mode on if it is off. So guys, here you can see the dark mode option. If it is off, you have to simply turn it on. So guys, do this, and after this you have to open settings on your device and then scroll it below and then go to battery and then tap on battery saver and turn on the battery saver on your OnePlus device as well. So guys, turn on the battery saver mode on your device, and after this go back, and now you have to simply update the software of your device as well. So guys, for that you have to simply go to about and then go to Android version, and then you have to go to Android update, and then you have to update your OnePlus device to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update your device, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.